An authenticator is a simple and secure way to verify your identity when logging in or making changes in Member Online. It generates a random one-time code to confirm who you are and is more secure than receiving a code by SMS or email. It's one of the multi-factor authentication options we offer to prevent unauthorized access to your account, even if someone guesses or steals your password. There are 3 steps for setup, and it should only take a few minutes and helps keep your GESB Member Online account safe. To start, choose a trusted smartphone or tablet that you own and don't share with anyone. In this example, we're using an iPhone. Some iPhones and other Apple devices can generate the one-time code without you needing to install an app. If you need to install an authenticator, go to the App Store on your device and search for and install an authenticator app. Using another device to log into Member Online is the easiest way to complete the next steps. If you don't have access to another device right now, you can set up a passkey instead. To avoid errors during setup, we recommend using the latest version of Google Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. Now, log into your Member Online account or register at mol.gesb.wa.gov.au. You'll be asked to verify your identity with a one-time code sent to your email. This step will be replaced by your authenticator once it is set up. You'll then be prompted to set up a security method for your account. Open the Authenticator app on your phone or tablet, or your camera if you're using inbuilt Apple device features to scan the QR code. Once set up, your authenticator will be added to your Member Online account security details. You can find and update these by going to Personal Details, scrolling down to your security details, and selecting View or Update your security settings. The next time you log in or make a change to your account, you can use your Authenticator app to verify your identity.